In this session, I'm going to show you a very cool extension that must be installed on any CRM system out there. This extension will make sure that if you will have duplicated records, those will be merged automatically for you. We are able to merge duplicates based on phone numbers, mobile numbers, and email addresses, which we consider as unique values. If you will see here the extension is running automatically, and you're able to merge based on email or by phone or by mobile or all of them together. Once you are saving the settings, every time that new leads will come to the system, based on the settings, the system will check if the mobile phone or email are the same, and if they are, it will automatically merge the details and will alert the owner of the original record that a new lead or a new contact was created, and then they need to approach those people. And also all the new details that were provided in the new record will automatically be merged into the existing record, which means you're also not losing data. The biggest upside of this extension is that all of us know how to deduplicate records. We know how to merge them manually, but the problem is that there is not enough manpower to do it, and also people are not that good in following instructions. And this is why we created this extension. Right now, everything can be done automatically for you. That means that your team don't need to run those merges manually, and everything will be done automatically for you. In the description below, there is a link to the extension. Thank you very much for watching this session. I will continue to update you with more cool extensions as we go.